Alright, so we're going to have a look at something called an annulus. An annulus is basically a circle with the centre removed, so a ring, okay, but it's just got a fancy name. And I just want to show you an efficient way to set out your working when you're doing the area of it, okay. So we, following kind of the idea before, we might say that our total area is equal to the area of our big circle, take away the area of our little circle. Okay, so big circle, little circle. And we know that the formula for a circle is pi r squared. So because this is a big circle, I'm going to use a big R squared, and I'm going to use a small r for the other one, just so that I'm kind of keeping those radiuses different from one another. Now, this is where your factorisation comes in. I'm going to take out a common factor from both of these. So I'm going to take out pi and leave that on the outside, and then I'm just going to be left with big R squared take small r squared. Now this is actually, right here, this is the formula for area of an annulus. So you could actually skip these two steps and go straight to here if you ever did one of these in the future. Then we can substitute in big radius is the largest radius, so 7 squared, so 49. Take away the small radius, 3 squared, which is 9. 49 take 9 is 40. And because this question is only related to circles, quite often you'd be asked to leave it in exact form. Okay, and if it was in exact form, you'd leave it as 40 pi centimetres squared. Okay, if it asked you to provide it to 2 decimal places, well then you multiply that out. And you'd get 125.66 centimetres squared to 2 decimal places. I would really recommend getting used to leaving it in this form, because this is going to get really important when we start doing volume and also surface area of more complicated shapes. So get comfortable leaving things with pi, just like you're getting used to leaving things in terms of fractions. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. It is just a number. All right, so you can go off and do some work now. Wish you all the best. I'm really sorry I can't be there, but I will see you again next week. See ya.